Hello, my fellow grocery addict, it's Jackie, and this is an abnormal haul for you. I am in the Costco parking lot. I have Trader Joe's over here, Costco over there, and I need to get a few items from each place, and I'm going to take you in with me. Kind of a random haul, but I love going to both of these places. I have once a week, we have to come out on this side of town for an allergy appointment for my daughter, and I always take this time to get things that I need from these stores, and that's what we're doing right now. So let's go. So we have Trader Joe's right here. And Costco right there. I'm doing Trader Joe's first because I park at Costco. I can walk here, I'm not getting large items. Easily walk back to my car and then leave from the Costco parking lot. Yay, they haven't had these in a long time. I'm actually gonna get 2 of them. They're $4.29, vegetarian friendly. Me and the girls love these. And I'm gonna get 1 chicken one for $4.99 for my hubby. Okay, this is what I came for, the acai puree, $3.99. You get 14 ounces. There's 4 individual packs, and it doesn't have added sugar to it. What I can get at Walmart is a little more expensive, and it has added sugars, so I think this is the better option. $3.99. I'm actually gonna buy 3 of these, just so I have more on hand. Baskets in the back coming in clutch, since I didn't plan to get the taquitos. Okay, I got these for $2.99, my daughter's favorite. And eggplant spread, my literal favorite thing from here, $2.99. Wish me luck, I'm entering a raffle to win a gift card for bringing my own bag. So as we're walking over to Costco, my total was $39.99, which included this $7.99 bag. I brought a small one, but because they had the taquitos that I didn't plan on buying, I ended up grabbing the giant insulated tote. I need a new one anyways for Aldi. So that brought my grand total to $39.99. And now we're going to Costco. My son is obsessed with Halloween stuff, so he will love to see this. I actually do love the giant skeleton. It looks like it's coming out of the ground. That guy's big. I don't know the cost of it. Oh, $249.99. I think it's pretty cool how it looks like it's coming out of the ground. But my husband and son, they do all the decorations. I just shake my head on the sidelines. They have Squishmallow treat pails, $17.99. Super cute. They're definitely Halloween themed, like a monster guy. And they're pretty plush, but you could fit a lot in there. It would expand. I really like this one. My girls, if they were younger, would like that. Super cute. All the costumes are out $29.99, $31.99. Pretty reasonable prices. I think this looks pretty good. It's a Pretzelzilla, $10.99 for 2 pounds of pretzels. You get 2 dips, 2 mustards, so I don't know how much of that ounces is the dips. $10.99, but then they also have this giant beer cheese next to it for $8.99. They're definitely speaking to me with this end cap. I'm gonna get 2 of these. My girls are obsessed with these. I am trying to get it so we can recreate this at home much more economical, where they can learn the rice cooker, get a nice cilantro lime flavor. But they love these. They add black beans and shredded cheese and hot sauce to it, and they love it. Very simple meal. Oh, and sometimes avocado if we have it. But I'm getting 2, and they're $9.69 a piece. Okay, so this one is a Hail Mary. My son is pickier and pickier the older he gets. But I'm hoping I can make a breakfast smoothie with this, and I will not be giving him an entire bottle daily, but banana and peanut butter powder to get protein in, and it will taste like chocolate a chocolate banana peanut butter smoothie. He said he'll try it. It'll be high protein, but he loves carbs, and that's about it. These are expensive. I've heard they're really good though, $31.49. And if I can get multi-meals per bottle, that'd be great. My friend Kieran has told me how much she loves these as like a sweet window closer. They're $6.69. I'm gonna try them. Cheez-Its are $14.99. We're just about to start school next week, so this is something that all my kids like to take as a snack. Okay, this is what made me come in here today. My father-in-law's birthday is actually today, and we are getting him this as part of his gift. 2 tickets to see our local university at a football game. It's kind of nice. You can buy these at Costco, and then you use a QR code and you can get your seats at a later time. I think it's kind of cool. I'm down the nut aisle. I was wanting to see if they had spicy bulk nuts, and I'm not seeing anything. My son, that is one thing he'll eat a ton of, is nuts, which is good, and I buy those for him. But he was wondering if we could get, and it is allowed because they don't have allergies, spicy peanuts for him to take as a snack. But he doesn't like sweet and heat mixed together, so no luck here. Okay, I think I struck gold. It's actually on sale, $9.09. Oh, that's Smokehouse. I want chili lime. I gotta find the chili lime. Well, dang it, they don't have any chili lime. Well, that's a tease. Bummer. Okay, not much, but here is my cart. Any guess on the total? For as little as there is, it's gonna surprise me, I know that. Okay, so they gave us these tickets in exchange for the cardboard, and my total was $112.54. And then I also spent 73 cents to get a pop for my daughter, the same one that wanted the Trader Joe's chili lime chips. Okay, I'm just loading my stuff in, and I just saw this. It says love it or it's free. I'm gonna hold them to this because if my kids don't actually drink these and don't love them, it was kind of expensive to try it. I will also then let me or my husband maybe try them, but if all of us don't like them, I'm gonna hold them to that. But I've heard such good things, I have a hard time imagining we won't. So the grand total between the 2 places was $152.53. And if you want to see a Trader Joe's haul that I did months ago to kick off our summer, you can see some of my other favorites right here in this haul. You know, all these my go-to, my weekly, but I do love shopping at both these places, and you can see more of it right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, down and ciao.